Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. For today's video, I will be discussing with you about how to construct a probability distribution table. Then we will also identify kung discrete ba yun or not. So let us define first what is a discrete probability distribution. So according to the definition that you can see, it lists each possible value the random variable can assume, together with its probability. A probability distribution must satisfy the following conditions. So, meron tayong dalawang condition na dapat tandaan para malaman natin kung discrete or not. So, what are those? Number one, the probability of each value of the discrete random variable is between 0 and 1 inclusive. Ibig sabihin, yung mga probability or denoted as P of X, yung mga P of X natin dapat less than 1 but greater than 0. So, halimbawa ay 0.1, 0.2, 0.55, etc. Basta bawal lang siya lumagpas ng 1 o bumaba ng 0 or maging negative. The second condition would be the sum of all probabilities is 1. So, pag nakuha natin lahat ng P of X o yung probability, i-add natin. Then, if we found out that the sum is equal to 1, therefore, it is considered discrete. Okay, para mas maintindihan ninyo, let us construct a probability distribution. So let us define random variable. Random variable is denoted as X. It is a numerical description of the outcome of a statistical experiment. So let us define what is experiment pagdating sa probability. There are three types or there are three commonly used experiments in probability. Una is tossing a coin. Okay, wherein the possible outcomes are head and tail. Then we also have rolling a die, wherein the possible outcomes are 1 to 6. Numbers from 1 to 6. Then we also have drawing a card. Yun yung mga jack, queen, king, ace, and numbers from 1 to 10. So yung numbers from 1 to 10, tapos jack, queen, king, etc. Now, para mas ma-gets niyo, let's have number 1. Construct a probability distribution for the number of even number in rolling a die. So, let's identify first what is our experiment. The experiment given here is rolling a die. Ito lang na may mga commonly used na experiment. So, rolling a die, the possible outcome or outcomes are, nilagay na dito, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sa rolling a die, tignan nyo muna kung ilang beses binato yung, o ni-roll yung die. Kung yan ba ay isang beses, dalawang beses. Usually kapag dalawang beses, binabanggit dito twice. Pero pag hindi, pag isang beses lang, walang binabanggit na twice ba, thrice. Pag thrice, 3 beses. So, ano pagkakaiba nun? Kapag isang beses lang binato, yung possible outcomes mo ay 1 to 6 lang. Pero pag binanggit rolling a die twice, ibig sabihin niyang class, yung possible outcomes mo, may ka-partner. Halimbawa, pwedeng lumabas 1-1. 1-2, pwede rin 6-1. Okay, kasi sa unang roll, 1 lumabas. Sa pangalawa, pwedeng 1 ulit. So, 1-1 yung outcome mo. Okay? Next, mahalaga kasi yun sa pagko-construct. Gawa natin to ng probability distribution. Ito yung unang step natin. Gawa tayo ng table. Column 1, meron tayong wait lang. Sa column 1, meron tayong random variable x na ilalagay. So, lagyan dito x. Then, second column, lagay tayo ng p of x. Yan yung pangunahing ilalagay ninyo. Si x, random variable. P of x is our probability. So, paano natin matutuko yung variable x? Tignan nyo lang kung ilang beses ginawa yung experiment. So, wala namang nilagay dito kung twice o thrice. Automatically, once lang siyang ginawa. So, rolling a die, so ibig sabihin nito ay once lang. Okay, hindi yan twice, kundi once lang. Pag once, automatically, ang ilalagay niyo sa variable x nyo ay 0 hanggang 1 lang. Laging may 0. Okay? It always starts from 0. Kasi ibig sabihin yan, ang random variable x na number of even number, ilan daw yung posibleng lumabas na even number. So, posibleng 0 or walang lalabas na even number, posibleng isa lang. Halimbawa, nag-roll tayo ng die, lumabas ay 1. Ilan yung even number dyan? Since 1 yan, it is not considered even number. So, walang even number na lumabas. Kasi ito lang lumabas ay 1 lang. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, yung 1 na yan, pasok yan dito sa 0 na random variable. Yung 2 ay even number. So, merong 1 even number na lumabas. Pasok yan dito sa 1 even number. Okay? So, kailangan natin malaman kung ilan yung mga 0 even number, tapos ilan yung may 1 even number. So, ilalagay na sa probability yon. Sa probability, meron tayong formula na ginagamit. Ito, ang formula na ito ay expected outcome divided by total number of outcomes. So, ilan ba yung total number of outcomes? Ilan ba lahat to? So, meron tayong 6 total outcomes. Yung expected outcome, dito natin ibibase sa random variable x. So, yan ay 0. So, bilangin natin sino dyan yung mga walang even number. So, ito, of course, yung mga odd numbers yun. So, meron tayong 1, 3, and 5. So, meron tayong 3, yung expected outcome, over, yung total outcomes natin ay 6. Divide lang natin yan, that would become 0.5. Okay, kasi 1/2 yan. 3 over 6 is 1/2. Then, alam natin yung may 1 even number. Even number kasi even number yung nakalagay dito sa problem. So, 1 even number, sino dyan may 1 even number? 2, 4, and 6. So, meron tayong tatlo ulit. So, 3 over 6. That is also equal to 1/2 or 0.5. So, this will be our final table. 0, 1 yung x, then yung probability of x ay 0.5, 0.5. If we are going to identify whether it is discrete or not, ang gagawin nyo lang ay i-add nyo lang yung probability ng x. Okay? Itong lahat ng values dito sa probability. So, meron tayong 0.5, then another 0.5. Ipag-add lang natin yan. This would become 0.5 plus 0.5, that is equal to 1. Kapag yung sagot ay exactly 1, therefore it is discrete probability distribution. So, para mas magets ninyo, let's have the second example. Construct the probability distribution for a random variable x representing the number of head. So, number of head yung random variable natin in tossing a coin thrice. May binanggit na thrice. So, paano gagawin natin? Lagay tayo agad ng x, then p of x. So, sa x natin, alamin natin kung ilang beses ginawa yung experiment. Yan ba ay once, twice, or thrice? Or pwede rin 4 times, 5 times. Depende. So, kung papansin nyo sa problem, binanggit naman na thrice. So, ibig sabihin, you start from 0, then 1, 2, and then 3. Bakit hanggang 3? Kasi thrice. Yan yung ibig sabihin ng thrice. Pag twice, hanggang 0, 1, 2. Kapag walang binanggit, hanggang 0, ay mula 0 hanggang 1 lang. Okay? So, let us start getting the probability. So, sabi, ang titignan natin yung number of head. Ito. Ibig sabihin ng 0, 0 yung head. Okay? No head. Dito, 1 head. Dito, 2 heads. Ito, 3 heads. So, tignan natin yung mga possible outcomes. So, dito, 0 heads. Hanapin natin yung mga outcomes na 0 yung head. Okay? So, meron tayong headed head, tail, 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 head, 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 tail. Ito naman, tail, head, 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 tail, 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 head, tail, then head, tail, head. So, i-identify natin. Dito, since number of heads, ilan yung number of heads ito? Since tatlo yan, lagyan natin tatlo. Then, dito, merong, kabilang lagay. Dito, meron tayong walang heads yan. So, triple tail yan eh. So dito ilan yung head ay meron lang tayong isa. Meron tayong dalawang head. Yung age lang tignan nyo. Merong isang head, and then meron tayong dalawang heads. Okay? So, nilagay ko na yan para mas madali natin ma-identify yung probability. So, 0 heads. Ilan dyan may 0? So, ito lang yun, 1. So, there is 1. Yan yung expected over. Lagi nyo i-divide sa total. Ilan lahat yung total possible outcome. So, ang tawag dun ay sample space. So, sample space is 8. Kasi 8 yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, 1 over 8. Okay, pagka divide natin yan, 1 over 8, sa calculator natin, 1 divided by 8. Gawin lang natin decimal para madali tayo makapag-add. That is equal to 0.125. So, lagyan natin dito, 0.125. Let us proceed with 1. Ibig sabihin, 1 head. Okay? Ang 1 head natin, ilan dito? Meron tayong 1, 2, 3. So, lagay natin dito, 3 over 8 ulit. Kasi 8 yung total number of outcomes. So, 3 over 8, gawin natin decimal ulit yan. 3 divided by 8, that is equal to 0.375. 0.375. Next, we have this 2. Ibig sabihin, 2 heads. Hanapin natin yung mga 2 heads yan. 1, 2, 3. Yan o, mga nilagay ko na. So, meron tayong 3 ulit. So, 3 over 8. Same answer lang yan, 0.375. Then, number 3, meron naman tayong, dito, 3 heads. Hanapin natin 3 heads naman daw. Ito yun. Yan o, nag-iisa lang naman yan. So, magiging 1 over 8 pa rin yan. Equals, so pares lang nito, 0.125. Kapag in-add natin to, para malaman natin, i-add natin yan para malaman natin kung discrete or not. So, add natin 0.125 plus 0.125 plus 0. Mali. 0.375 pala plus 0.375 plus 0.125. If you're going to press that on your calculator, that would be equal to 1. Therefore, this is discrete. Inuulit ko, kapag hindi equal sa 1, ang sagot nyo ay not discrete. Pero since equal tayo sa 1, that is discrete. So that's how you construct probability distribution table. Thank you.